Blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Do not miss this lecture. I'm going to give you a complete outline of what we're covering in this course. So if you haven't yet enrolled, you'll get a very good idea of what's coming up. And if you have enrolled, you'll completely understand the treats we have in store for you. Now, if you're confused or overwhelmed by blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies, you're in very good company, probably with most of your peers. And I know I was there once too. So you don't have to worry about the fact that you find it all very confusing. That's what we're here for. We want to help you to cross that divide of understanding by making blockchain and cryptos easier to understand. That is what this course is all about. We've written this for you to help you get your mind around this valuable but quite complex topic. We're going to start by explaining what the blockchain is and how it works. We're going to explain the importance of its distributed ledger and then explain the three pillars of decentralization, transparency, and immutability. We're going to explain how three existing technologies have been combined to make blockchain technology work. And finally, in the end of this first section, we're going to explain how blockchains can be updated using things called forks and why this is important. Now, we're sure you've heard of Bitcoin, but as it's the most high-profile cryptocurrency, we're going to spend some time sharing some key information about Bitcoin with you. We're going to explain the origins of Bitcoin back in 2009, who created it, or the pseudonym, at least, of the group of people who created it, and the formation of the Genesis block. That sounds very science fiction-y, doesn't it? We'll take a look at mining, how Bitcoins are created, and how the Bitcoin blockchain remains secure within its peer-to-peer technology. We're also going to take a look at the different types of nodes, their purpose, and how this architecture might evolve in the future. Now, don't worry about the jargon here, because all this gets explained as we go through. At the end of this section, we'll share with you some of our conclusions about the future of Bitcoin. If you have heard of Bitcoin, you may not have heard of Ethereum or what it is, so we're going to address this next. We start in 2015 with the launch of Ethereum and discuss why it was created. We'll also explain the Ethereum creation process and what the evolution of Ethereum 2.0 will mean for the cryptocurrency. Now, Ethereum itself is actually more than a cryptocurrency. So next, we're going to explore the Ethereum virtual machine and how anyone can use it to build decentralized apps, which are known as dApps, and smart contracts. We'll spend 2 lectures looking at these 2 topics in particular detail. Finally, in the Ethereum section, we're going to explain how nodes in this blockchain have more functionality than the Bitcoin blockchain, for example, and how they work. So at this point in the course, we're really beginning to motor. So up next, stablecoins. Now, stablecoins are a cryptocurrency which is always stable in value, and we explain how that's possible given the particular volatility of cryptocurrency markets. In a deeper dive, we take a look at 3 different types of stablecoins: fiat-backed stablecoins, crypto-backed stablecoins, and algorithmic stablecoins. And don't you just love all the technology and all the jargon I'm throwing at you? But don't worry, it's explained in the course. I know you can't wait to find out. We thought, as there are over $10 billion worth of stablecoins out there, it would be interesting to look at some of their use cases. So we do that for you, and we also then round off the stablecoin section by discussing the benefits of stablecoins themselves. Following this, we're going to turn our attention to privacy coins, what they are, and why they're different to other types of cryptocurrencies. We show you how privacy coins work using an example, Monero, and then we discuss the top 5 privacy coins and summarize the section by looking at use cases and their future. The next topic is crypto tokens and their role in financing. The section deep dives on crypto tokens, ICOs and IEOs in 3 separate lectures. We round the section off with a discussion of 5 different types of crypto tokens: platform, security, transactional, utility, and governance. Of course, once you own a cryptocurrency, you need to be able to store it, so the next section looks at this. We discuss public and private keys and cryptocurrency wallets. We'll explain the particular importance of private keys and where to store them. And then finally, we'll discuss with you some different types of crypto wallets. Next follows a discussion of how you can buy cryptocurrencies. We'll explain exchanges in some detail and follow this with an equally detailed discussion of decentralized exchanges. Did you know there are cryptocurrency ATMs? Well, if you didn't, you do now. And we'll also discuss apps you can load onto your phone and how to use them to buy cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies are also increasingly available in local stores. We'll explain the services these provide, and we'll conclude the section with our advice on how to choose the right way to buy your cryptocurrency. Once you've bought your cryptocurrency, you'll want to be able to spend them. So we're going to discuss this next. We start by showing you how to send cryptocurrency to someone else using your wallet, how to use an ATM to spend cryptos, and the power of cryptocurrency debit cards, and we explore the cards that are available and what we think of them. The final lecture in this section explains why authorities don't like cryptocurrencies, and we discuss the implications for their use in the real world and what happens when you buy directly with them. Decentralized finance means you can be your own bank, and we have a section to explain this fascinating topic. We explain what DeFi is and the difference between fully and partially decentralized solutions. We take a look at saving with DeFi and how it works. We look at what crypto assets you can deposit and the rewards you get, and then we explain how you can withdraw your savings. Do you want a loan in cryptos? Okay, we'll tell you how to do it. And finally, we ask a challenging question. Can DeFi replace banks? The final section of the course explores the future of cryptocurrencies. We look at its impact in the world of investment banking and its ability to disrupt this industry. We discuss the potential impact on law firms and why lawyers cannot afford to miss this opportunity. We discuss tokenization in financial markets and the potential impact of tokens in real estate. Having introduced you to decentralized finance in the previous section, we look forward and explore its potential future impact. And we look at how the blockchain technology itself is impacting the food industry. As we wind up, we ask what is stopping the mass adoption of cryptocurrencies and the rise of stablecoins. At the end of this course, we believe you will have a solid understanding of blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies. You will be able to start thinking about how this amazing and disruptive technology is going to change your business, your industry, and your life. So blockchain and cryptocurrencies, this is why we believe you can't afford to ignore this topic, and this is why we've created this course for you to help you to understand it.